guys, good morning. Nagluto ako ng air fry ako ng pangbaon ni Asya. Chicken nuggets. How many, Asher? How many chicken nuggets?
Chicken nuggets?
Oh.
That's what can smell that one. Like, how many? How many did you cook? 10?
10.
I guess.
Three.
Mommy
Oh.
mommy just leave this one, these two. Just
Okay.
leave these two, okay? Because that one will
Ay, 14 only. I think I took 15. With ketchup? With ketchup? You want pear or apple? Or you want grape? Which one you like? Pear, apple?
Right, one more. Pull on.
Alistair in and around Madler again. Done so well at negating the threat into him in the first instance. Can't do it
Well,
definitely.
guys, finish.
Make up for it in terms of recovery run to make the challenge. Toro Martinez.
Alam nyo ba guys, si Aidan, nasagasahan kaninang umaga.
Brilliant assist to Messi.
Wala na ang Aidan. Patay na si Aidan. Kanilibing lang nila dyan sa likod.
Two of the 45.
Siguro nasa...
You need to fasting today.
Feature in this World Cup.
Kailangan mag-fasting. Namatay si Aidan.
You need salt hot today. You need to fasting.
Siguro nasagasahan ng bus. Kasi paggising namin kaninang umaga, alam nyo yung tapat ng malaking bahay? Ayun oh. Doon, naandun siya sa may kalsada. Siguro bus o di kaya traktor nakasagasa sa kanya guys.
Fernandez was breaking through as well. Paul said, "I'm doing it because I love him." Here's the shot from effort. The effort from distance from Messi. Gets Patrick Mahomes up out of his seat. Argentina here to win it back. For me, what is disappointing from Messi, Sacramento, the way that that's defended, when he's on the edge of the box there, Algeria don't get out to him nearly quickly enough.
Wake up! Wake up! Better.
Hey guys, nandito kami sa hospital. Tatanggalin na to. Hello! Hello! Yes, they need to remove now. Pero sabi, x-ray yata muna bago tanggalin. Pero kasi nailalakad na niya, nakakaakyat na nga ulit eh. Ay, malikot na ulit eh. Kahit may bandage ang paa, malikot pa din ang bata. What, need to x-ray? X-ray again? Kailangan ni x-ray daw. Yan. Tireng! Tireng! Oh? Don't cry ha. We will go to the x-ray room. We will go to the x-ray room. Don't cry, okay? Okay. Very good. Good boy. Yes. Good boy. Hi guys. Sa sobrang init, O, request ng bata, ice cream. Mama, mama, sabi niya. I said, why? Cream? Cream?
You are the one asking. You need to know.
No, I am not the one I'm not the one asking. It's your tonton asking. Oh, Papa. Para kay Asher naman. Mamaya. Cheers!
What?
Ang init kasi guys, grabe. Who's eating ice cream? Hmm? Who's eating ice cream? Ma, you want water? Okay, I will go.
Purana chutna. Oh, guys. No. Four. No. Tilki. Dawai soda niya.
Hi guys. Ay, nako, napakainit. Asher, give me like in the kitchen. Ako ay magmamasa ng aming roti.
Asher.
Asis, I think our wheat flour is not enough.
So I don't know what to do.
Need to buy. Because Asher want also to eat roti.
How many enough?
Very soft. Napakainit. Dito sa Nepal guys, sobrang init. Ay, magmamasa tayo. Do you think this one is enough? No need to put salt? You don't like to put salt? Actually, gusto din ng mga bata kumain ng roti.
No.
Para akong magmamasa ng ng simento. Kailangan ng paglagay ng tubig dito guys. Unti-unti, hindi siya yung mabilisan.
Okay.
Pop na naman. Pop na naman. Lahat na lang hiniling niya. Lahat na lang lollipop, ice cream. Kagaling magsabi, Mami, Mami, cream, cream.
Half of the ice cream. Can you ask me, Pop? Wait.
Nainitan din siguro. Kaya may napanood ako wheat flour ang ginamit niya, tapos against the light yung aking
You broke her feet.
video.
So
Mommy,
Oy,
mommy, what's this?
Oh,
can I see?
come. What's up?
What's this?
Go.
Of animals. Huh? Of. Can I see? Can I see? Can I see?
You didn't write nicely.
Of man. Locomotion is the movement of animals from one place to another place. Ah, locomotion.
You have okay already, no?
No, Papa, don't force him, Papa. Don't force him. Kasi although natanggal na yung kanyang plaster, guys, pero parang nanibago yung paa niya. Don't force him, Papa. Parang nanibago yung paa niya kasi nga, di ba mabigat yung nilagay na plaster. Ngayon, biglang tinanggal, kaya parang ang feeling niya, napakagaan mong isang paa niya. Tarararap. Ayan, oh. O, diba? Masa-masa lang. So, ayan na siya, guys. Nabilog ko na, oh. Ngayon, itatakpan natin siya kahit 30 minutes lang bago natin lutuin mamaya. So, ganyan na lang muna habang inaantay natin yung oras ng ating pagluto.